How to convert text to video in Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert text to video in Canva. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're here, you have to select video from this interface here. Select the template or the ratio that you want to use for. I will just select the landscape. Here, once you get into this interface, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, and from there you have to click on apps. Under apps, scroll down a bit and there is more options as Magic Media. So search for Magic Media and then click on it. Again, from this top menu bar, select a video and there you get this text box that says enter 5+ words to describe. So here you have to type in the text in order to describe or tell the Canva what kind of video you want. For example, I will just type in a flying bird over the sky. Once you are done with that, here click on generate video. Now wait for a while until the Canva provides you the video from the text that you have typed in. As you can see, the Canva have provided me with this video where I can see a flying bird over the sky. In order to use this video, you have to click on this video and then it will be applied in your timeline. If you want next video, then you have to click on generate again and Canva will provide you with another video. So in this way you can convert the text into video using Canva. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.